Ito ang ngiti ng isang last termer na binabash dahil sa pamaskong handog, pero hindi na ako affected. But I just want to say, dun sa mga barangays natin, kakaiba ang ating ginawa this year. And I really want to thank you kasi alam ko yung iba sa inyo na-inconvenience ng office ko dahil sa bago nating pag-distribute. And syempre nababash tayo kasi yung ating pamaskong handog walang spam, libis at saka yung mga important na pinamimigay sa Makati. No? But it's really because first and foremost, the budget was the same budget. Pero in the middle of the year, mapaprocure na sinabi ko, sandali, baka kayang ipagkasya instead of the usual 500,000 bags, baka pwede 1 million para may mabigyan natin lahat ng ating mga key citizens. Kaya talagang nagtipid tayo, totoo naman, nawala yung queso de bola, totoo naman. But this is really an experiment of a different type of gift giving wherein hindi tayo masisisi ng ating pong mga constituents na ang binibigyan lang natin ay yung malapit sa inyo, malapit sa akin, pero yung mga walang koneksyon, hindi nakakatanggap kasi lagi natin naririnig yan. So this time, we thought, okay, let's try to give everyone and let's make sure that the ID is used. And ngayon ko lang nalaman, ang dami palang walang ID. Ang dami pala. So despite the fact na 5 years na tayo nag-distribute ng ID, marami pa rin na walang ID. And so we're being bashed because of the ID. Pero people don't understand that the ID will make sure that the gift, the pamasko, goes to a few citizen, that only 1 bag goes to every household, no? At in fact, ang dami natin na bablock, ha? Ang dami nag-claim na multiple na pala yung QCID nila kasi sinasabi nila reported lost, so they get another one. Akala nila they can get 2, pero actually, pag na-scan na yung name, lalabas na block na kasi nakatanggap ka na. So if you notice, this is part of the reforms that I am implementing in the city government. At sana sanay na kayo sa pamamahala ko by this time. That really, I am not a traditional politician and really we're going to do everything we can to make sure that every citizen gets the services that they deserve being part of our city. And we are using technology. No? Kaya kahit na hirap yung district ko, hindi pa kayo nagsistart. You know what I'm talking about? Magsisimula ng kalbari ninyo very soon, tomorrow or next week, because it's quite hard what we're doing. But my wish, of course, by next year, the budget will be better. Balik tayo sa dating pamaskong handog. But everybody will still get. But ngayon lang yung ID, mabilis na lang. Kasi next year, scan na lang tayo ng scan. Bigay na lang tayo ng bigay. And we know that there is no wastage. We know na walang nasasayang. We know that every family just gets 1. At this time, every household, but actually marami pang extra. So tingnan note natin yung mga households na multiple ang families. Babalikan po natin ang mga households na multiple ang families. So, hindi sila dapat mag-alala, no? Because we are doing the one household at a time, but we are taking note of households with multiple families, okay? Pero, after this exercise, malalaman talaga natin ilan ang Q citizens sa Quezon City, ilan ang households natin, ilan ang heads of families. We will have so much information about our city. And data is really the most important thing that we need para sa next 2 years, whenever we have programs, we are sure that the right people are being given the proper services because that ID will be the key to the different services of the city.